Hello and welcome to another edition of Marketing Waves. So we start this Monday, the 5th of July, we're still digesting the NFP figures on Friday, with the jobs number coming in at 850,000. So not only did it exceed expectations of 700,000, but it was also the biggest jobs number in 10 months. So quite a significant standing there. And the obvious job numbers coming in the hospitality and leisure industry. And this was an important factor as America gets back on its feet after hopefully seeing the last of the big waves of the pandemic. So an American holiday in the United States today as well. So something not to be forgotten about as the 4th of July Independence Day weekend still rumbles on. If it fell on a Sunday, so the obvious thing is that they have a bank holiday the following working day. So just want to take a look at the DXY first of all today, and we completed this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I'm just waiting to see if wave 5 has actually completed, because we came down. This could be a factor that we're coming down in wave 4 now still. We might be actually waiting to see another leg to the downside. We hit this 1.618 Fibonacci extension of waves 1 and 2, which was quite significant. So we usually see that level being reached for wave 4. However, it could be a factor that we could have ended wave 5 and could be headed down once again to complete 4 as a flat. And then head back up for wave 5 once more. So something just to keep an eye on in the medium term. I'm just waiting to see what the possibilities are up for these extensions here at the 200%, and then as we go higher, the 2.382 as well. So this will be giving us a bit of an impetus to the 92 area to stay in that zone. And then, as I said, move up to above 93, which is just about this level here. So we could see that. As I say, I'm looking at a flat at the moment to move down into wave 4 and then back up into wave 5. So failing that, we might be in the first steps of an ending diagonal as well, because wave 4 has gone over wave 1 as well. So we'll see if that comes into fruition as well. But as I said, very good positive news coming out of America at the moment. So we'll see if that comes into fruition. I just wanted to take a quick look at the divergences as well before we get on to the euro dollar. So the last time we looked at some kind of divergences, we saw this heavy one, which is quite significant, and we're bringing prices down now. But if this is finished and completed, then the upside is the impetus is on the upside at the moment to get back into that minor wave 5 to complete it. But as I said, an ending diagonal might not be out of the question as well. And just looking at the euro dollar as well, so we have this ending diagonal that's been set upon now. Let's just moment. Let's just get rid of the MACD and RSI just to give a better chart at the moment. So we're in this WXY now, and I'm just waiting. It's a bit precarious. I'm just waiting for the 78.6 to be really punched at the moment. We've touched it, now we're heading back upwards to complete this wave Y. It might not have been completed just yet, but the 786 Fibonacci retracement is a nice confluence as well of the 2.382 of Fibonacci extension of waves W and X. So waiting still for signals. We'll look at them in a second, but if we fall below this 100%, like I said before, we are looking at a bit of an invalidation in that respect. So euro dollar, not much has changed at the moment. Just looking at some more signals. We had these two sharp signals, a standard and a hidden divergence usually means that there's going to be a bit of a trend change. So as you can see, we are falling down quite significantly here. We had a bit of an upside there, but we'll see what the signals are. If I just stretch that and stretch that as well, as you can see, a nice hidden bearish divergence there to bring prices lower, but we'll see if that comes into fruition in the next few trading days as we begin the week. So as I said, maybe not much activity today because it is a bank holiday in America, but we've also got, obviously Eurozone news coming out as well. So this could be quite a significant factor in that regard as well. So something to keep an eye out for. So that's all for Marketing Waves today. Thank you very much for joining me. As usual, please feel free to add any comments, or if you want to share any other scenarios with us, you're more than welcome. So until tomorrow, have a great trading day, and bye for now.